Okay, very good morning, everyone. Till the last class, we have learned some doubts related to the particular chapter decimal, and we have also learned first questions of the miscellaneous exercise. And we will, in this today's class, we will continue with the miscellaneous exercise because this is the only one chapters or this is the only one topics wherein all the questions of the particular chapter are combined. So we'll do once quick revision with the help of this only. And if except this anyone else having any doubts, you can just ask. We will discuss about that also. Okay. So second question which we have related to the decimals. Decimals, ME, miscellaneous exercise, chapter number 9. Chapter number 9. We are discussing about the second question of miscellaneous exercise, wherein it is asking to match the following. So you have to match. First which we have is 4/10. So 4/10. So we have learned tenths means this divided by 10. So if you are writing, this is in word, and if you want to write this in fraction, then it will be 4/10. Which options we have is the option number F. So this will be matched with option number F. Okay. Next what we have is second question, second one, wherein it is asking 4 hundredths. So 4 hundredths. So hundredths means divide by 100. So here because DTH is there, here TH is here. That means that number divided by tenth or hundredths or thousands, whatever it is asking. So 400 means 4/100. So which option which we have 4/100? You can see E, option E. So this will be matched with option number E, right? After then 4,000s we have. So third one which we have is 4,000s. So thousands means 4 divided by 1000. So 4 divided by 1000. So which option is 4 divided by 1000? Option number D. So this will be matched with option number D. And the same the decimal point. So fourth one it is asking which one is the decimal point. So DECIMAL, decimal point. So we know how we used to write that decimal point, like this. Okay. So like this we used to write decimal point, wherein we have the options in option number C. So option number C, it will be matched with option number C. After that it is asking 6/10. So 6/10. So 6/10 means 6 divided by 10. Okay. So which option we have 6 divided by 10? One sec. There is no any option 6 divided by 10, but you can write this 6/10 means 6/10 means if you convert this into decimal, it will be 0.6, right? So 0.6 means option number B. So this will be matched with option number B. Okay. In the same way, 40 hundredths. So 40 hundredths means 40 divided by 100. So let us see. The next which we have is 40 hundredths. The sixth one, 40 hundredths. So 40 hundredths means 40 divided by 100, but as there is no any options for 40 divided by 100, so you can convert this into decimal. Before 2 digit decimal, before 2 जीरो है तो 2 digit से पहले decimal देंगे, it will be 0.40, which is the option number A. So this will be matched with option number A, right? So this is how you can do the second question of miscellaneous exercise. miscellaneous exercise का second question इस तरह से हम लोग बना सकते हैं, ठीक है? Okay. Next, let's move to the third question. So third question, what it is asking is Question number 3. So represent the following decimal in the place value chart. Then write the place value of 7 in each. So first you have to represent these all in place value chart, and after then you have to write the place value of this. So you can see first question which we have is 46 decimal 278. Okay, so represent the following decimal in decimal place value chart. So first you need to know about the place value chart. So place value chart के बारे में हम लोग ने पढ़ा था at the beginning of the chapters, how the place value chart is prepared like this. कि अगर सपोज ये न्यूमेरियल्स है, ये अगर न्यूमेरियल्स है, then this will be tens, then ones, and then this is decimal places, and then tenths, then hundreds, tens, hundreds, and then thousands. So यहाँ पे पूरा आ नहीं रहा है, so let us make it smaller. यहाँ पे स्पेस नहीं आ रहा है पूरा, so let us write again. So here we will write the number, and then we will write tens, then we will write ones, then we will write the decimal places, then we will write tenths, then we will write hundreds, then we will write thousands. So this is the most important thing is to understand कि ये number रहेगा यहाँ पे, first is the number, and then in tens place which number is there, that you have to write. After then in ones place which number we have, that you have to write, and then decimal you can write, and after decimal in tenths place means decimal place के बाद जो number है वो, and hundreds, and then thousands. So suppose these questions which we have 46 decimal 278, right? So 46 decimal 278, how you can write in decimals is, so यहाँ पे ones place में हमारा 6 है, then tens place में हमारा 4 है, okay, and then after that decimals है, and tenth place में हमारा 2 है, okay, then hundreds place में 7 है, and thousands place में 8 है, okay. So अगर हम लोग decimals place के बाद जाते हैं, this is the tens place, this is the hundreds place, and this is the thousands place. जैसे यहाँ पे ones place है, यहाँ पे यहाँ पे tens place है, यहाँ पे then hundred place है. This is how, this is one, this is tens, and this is hundreds. Okay, so th is here because this means the number divided by 2, the number divided by 7, and then number divided by 8. तो इस तरह से whatever the number it is given, you can write in the place value chart. तो ये place value chart है, you have to prepare the chart like this, and after preparing the chart you have to write the numbers like this, and after then you have to tell the places of 7. So 7 का place आप देख सकते हो, in this number we have hundreds, okay, so the places of this 7 in this, it will be hundreds. In the same way you have to check for the other number also. For example दूसरा जो number हमारा दिया हुआ है, एक example ले लेते हैं और भी, 11 decimal 756. So 11 decimal 756. So what will be the in ones place, what will be in tens place, what will be in decimal place, what will be in tenths, hundreds, and thousands place, that we will see. So ones place we have 1, this is one place, and then tens place also we have 1. So 11 में ones place में भी 1 है, and tens place में भी 1 है, right? Okay, after then you can see this is the 10th place. So 7 है 10th place में, So here after decimal it will be 7. After then we have 5 in the hundredths place. So 5 we will write in hundredth place. And then we have 6 in the thousandth place. So 6 we will write here. तो इसी तरह से कोई भी नंबर आपको पूछा जाए, you can write in the table as like this. Okay. For example, sixth one we have is 2.247. So in this case you can see only we have in the tens place. So tens place के बाद 100 place में कोई भी नंबर नहीं, sorry ones place में हमारा सिर्फ नंबर है यहाँ पे. ones place के बाद tens place में there is no any number. So we will keep blank the tens places and in ones places we will write 2. तो वंस प्लेसेस में 2 है, 2 लिखिए. उसके बाद डेसिमल प्लेस है, सो डेसिमल लिखेंगे. उसके बाद टेंथ प्लेसेस में 2 है, सो देन विल राइट 2. आफ्टर देन 4 वी हैव इन हंड्रेड्थ प्लेस, सो 4. एंड आफ्टर देन 7 वी हैव इन दिस प्लेस, सो 7. So this miscellaneous exercise, third questions you can do like this. And in this, if it is asking about the position of the 7, then you can write in 10th place 7 we have. In this we have in 100th place. So in this we have in 100th place. So आपको दोनों लिखना है. एक तो सबसे पहले इस तरह से टेबल में बना लेना है, उसके बाद जो नंबर्स का प्लेसेस है वो हम लोग को लिखना है. फर्स्ट नंबर इन 100th प्लेस, सेकंड नंबर इन 10th प्लेस, थर्ड नंबर इन 1000th प्लेस. So this is how you have to write. Okay. So I hope you understood this question, everyone. Question number 3. Question number 3 understood everyone? आपका अगर यहाँ पे कुछ डिजिट नहीं है, यू कैन पुट जस्ट 0 और यू कैन लीव इट ब्लैंक. सो 0 पुट कर देते हैं या ब्लैंक पुट कर देते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है इसमें. ओके. नाउ अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. जो भी वंस यहाँ पे टेंस प्लेस में है वो टेंस प्लेस में लिखना है. वंस प्लेस में तो वंस प्लेस में लिखना है, टेंस प्लेस में है टेंस प्लेस में लिखना है. Then whatever is in 10th place, this we will write here. Then whatever we have in the 100th place we will write here, and then whatever we have in 1000th place we will write here. So simply this is how we will complete this table, and after then we will write the places of the particular number. Okay. So I hope this understood everyone. Rest of all you can able to do by yourself. So I am leaving for you rest of all questions. Now coming to the fourth question which we have. चौथा नंबर का जो क्वेश्चन है, अगर उसका बात करें, so fourth just you have to arrange, and after then you have to just only you have to arrange the in ascending order. So we have learned about arrange the following in ascending order. So ascending means increasing order, ascending order. सो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में आपको अरेंज करना है, इट्स वेरी सिंपल. इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है, बट बिफोर दैट यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट ऑल शुड बी इन प्रॉपर डेसिमल्स, राइट. लाइक फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच वी हैव, उसका एग्जांपल्स हम लोग अगर लेते हैं, शो 24.25, देन 3.410, then 7.215 and then 11.02. So ये सारे नंबर्स है और हमको असेंडिंग मींस इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करने हैं. तो सबसे पहले तो ये देखेंगे कि डेसिमल के बाद क्या सारे डिजिट सेम है. यहाँ पे 2 डिजिट है, यहाँ पे 3 है, यहाँ पे भी 3 है, यहाँ पे भी 2 है. तो सबसे पहले हमें सारे डेसिमल्स नंबर्स को लाइक में करने के लिए एक 0 इसमें ऐड करना है एंड 3 डिजिट का बनाने हैं. So we have made this also 3 digit and we have put it 0 here also, and this also become 3 digit number. Now you can arrange in ascending order. So ascending order, increasing order में करने के लिए first of all you will write the smallest number and then greater and at the last greatest one, right? So सबसे पहले यहाँ पे हमें देखना है कि डेसिमल प्लेस से पहले जो डिजिट है वो सबसे छोटा कौन सा है. So decimal place से जो नंबर पहले है that is 3. So 3 decimal 410 is the smallest number you can see here. So first we will write 3 decimal 410. This is the smallest one. So after then, okay, so this is the smallest one and after then you have to write the greater number from this. So 3 के बाद हमारा 7 है, देख सकते हो decimal place से पहले. So 7 decimal 215. So 7 decimal 215 is the greater than this. After then you have to check after 7 decimal 215 which one number which we have is 11. So 11 decimal 020 and after 11 which we have is 24. So at the last it will be 24 decimal 250. So most important thing is not only the number after decimal, नंबर जो डेसिमल से पहले है वो मैटर करता है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे 2 4 है, यहाँ पे 3 है, यहाँ पे 7 है, यहाँ पे 11 है. So according to that you can arrange this. So greatest number will be 24 decimal 250. Okay, and this is how if you now again if you wanted to write as like the previous one you can write like this because हम लोग ने यहाँ पे एक जीरो ऐड किया था और वहां पे एक जीरो ऐड किया था. सो उसको आप फिर बाद में रिमूव करके उसके अकॉर्डिंगली अरेंज कर सकते हो. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ऐड किया था हम लोग ने, तो इस तरह से आप फिर से लिख सकते हो. तो यू कैन लीव इट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो. ओके, दिस इज हाउ यू कैन अरेंज इन ascending order. Okay, now let us see one more question from this only, how we can arrange in ascending order. So suppose fourth question which I am talking about, question number 4, fourth question, 1 decimal 25, 2 decimal 57, 0 decimal 378 and 0 decimal 999 and 2 decimal 59. So these are the some numbers which it is given and you have to arrange in ascending order. So most important thing is to see that maximum after decimal 3 digit we have. So we have to keep all the numbers like this only. So it will become 1 decimal 250. Okay, then it will become 2 decimal 570. Then this will be 0 decimal 378 and this will be 0 decimal 999 and this will be become 2 decimal 590. तो ये सारे नंबर्स हमने पहले इसको लाइक में लिख लिया. अब जो है हमें इसको कंपेयर करना है. सो फर्स्ट द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर मींस डेसिमल से पहले जहां पे 0 है एंड इसमें भी 2 नंबर है हमारा, तो आप देख सकते हो 379 डेसिमल जो है स्मॉलर है देन डेसिमल 999. सो फर्स्ट नंबर विच वी विल राइट इज 0 decimal 378. So this is the smallest one. After then 0 decimal 999. After then 1 decimal 250. So because 1 is the after then 1 only we have the smaller one. So 1 decimal 250. After then we have is after this 2 decimal 570 and 2 decimal 590. So which one is smaller? So 570. 2 decimal 570 is smaller than 2 decimal 590. So here it will be 2 decimal 570 and at the last it will be 2 decimal 590. So greatest one is 2 decimal 590 and the smallest one is 0 decimal 378. So this is how you can arrange in ascending order, and if it is asking to arrange in descending order, it will be just opposite. So greatest number we will write first and then smaller and at the last the smallest one only. Okay, so very interesting questions are there. These all are okay. If you think and if you do by yourself, it will be very interesting, more interesting. Okay, After then add the following. So addition is also the same thing. We will do like this only. Just you have to keep in mind whenever you are adding, the decimal place should be in proper places. Otherwise, the additions will be wrong. Okay. So as like we are doing some questions. So I am talking about the fifth one, where it is asking add the following. So you have to add the following, whatever it is given. Till now, whatever we have discussed, if anyone having any doubts, board is not showing properly. Khushi, now is it showing properly? Khushi, check once now, it should show properly now. Rest of all, tell me quickly, the board is visible or not? That was due to the network problem. Okay, now is yes. Okay, so now add the following. Suppose I am taking any random question, fifth one, which it is asking 123 decimal 754. This is the one number which we have. Then we have to add 124 decimal 567. And another which we have is 289 decimal 246. So these are the three numbers which it is given, and you have to add these all. So very simply we will add as like the normal addition only. So 123 decimal 754 plus 124 decimal 567 plus 289 decimal 246. So as like the normal addition only we will do. So let's do the addition. So 123 decimal 754. Okay. Then 124 decimal 567. Then 289 decimal 246. Now we will add this all. Okay, so quickly let us add this. So 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, 7, 1 carry. Okay, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 to 12, 12 plus 4 is 16. So 16 is 6, 1 carry, 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 5 is 15. So 5, 1 carry, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 2 are 8, 8 plus 9 are 17. So 7, okay, again 1 carry, so 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 8 is 13. So 3, 1 carry, so 3 plus 2 is 5. Then before 3 digit we have decimal, so we will put decimal before 3 digit. So 537 decimal 567 is the coming sum. So 537 decimal 567 will be the required answer. Okay. So now understood this one, everyone, how to add the decimal number. So very simply, just let's verify one cross check. So 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, 7, 1 carry, 6 2 are 14, 6 2 are 12, 12 plus 6 is 16. So 12 plus 4 is 16, so 6, 1 carry again, 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 5 is 15, 5 carry 1, 4, 4 2 are 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, so 7, 1 carry. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 8 is 13, 3, 1 carry, 3 plus 2 is 5. So 537 decimal 567. So this is how you can do the addition of decimal number. Okay. Let us take one more addition which is slightly different, as like the sixth one, last seventh one. So which is the last addition of this question. So let us see this one. So seventh one I am talking about. 4 decimal 78 plus 77.7 plus 88 decimal 281. So most important thing is to take care here कि यहाँ पे डेसिमल के बाद 2 डिजिट है, यहाँ पे डेसिमल के बाद 1 ही डिजिट है और यहाँ पे 3 डिजिट है. तो हम लोग सबसे पहले पढ़ा था कि क्या करना है, सारे इक्वल डिजिट करना है. सो मैक्सिमम 3 डिजिट वी हैव, सो विल मेक दिस 4.780 प्लस 77.700 क्योंकि यहाँ पे 3 डिजिट करना है. And after then it is as it is, so 88.281. So now we will add this and check the sum, and whatever the sum will be, that we will write the here. So 4.780 after then 77. So here also you need to keep in mind कि 77 है तो यहाँ पे इधर से लिखते हो जाओ 007 decimal 7 and 7. Okay. After then here we have 182 decimal 88, so 8. So now let's add this to, so 001, 0 plus 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1, then 8 towards 16, so 6, 1 carry, 7 plus 1 is 8 towards 10 plus 7 17, so 7, 1 carry, so 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 7 is 13. Okay, 13 plus 8 is 21. 21's 1, 2 carry. So 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 8 is 17. Show 17. Before 3 digit decimal, so before 3 digit decimal. Do ones cross check. 1, 8 to 16, 6, 1 carry. 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 7, 17, 7, 1 carry. 5, 5 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. Okay. So 1, 2 carry, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 8 is 17. So 171 decimal 761. So this is the required sum. Okay. 171.761. Okay. So now board is visible or not properly? Okay. So this is how very easily we can do the addition related questions, and in the same way in case of subtractions, just you have to keep in mind that the greater number you have to write first. Okay. So for today this much only. Rest of all I hope you can do by yourself. Thank you everyone. Have a good time.